study about fruits. Yummy, yummy and healthy, healthy fruits. Yay! Friends, what is this? I hope you have guessed it. This is apple. A-P-P-L-E. Reddish, reddish, round, round apple. We should eat one apple daily because it keeps us away from doctor. Yay! Come on, repeat after me. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Next, what is this? Banana. Yellowish, yellowish banana. Spell it out. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Healthy, healthy banana. Come on, repeat after me. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Hey friends, guess what is this? Correct. This is pomegranate. Spell it out. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. Repeat after me. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Very nice. This is reddish in color and very healthy. This is pomegranate. Friends, what is this? This is orange. Orangish, orangish, orange. Juicy, juicy orange. Spell it out. O-R-A-N-G-E. Yay! This is orange. Juicy, juicy orange. Come on, repeat after me. O-R-A-N-G-E. Yes! Healthy, healthy orange. Next, friends, this is papaya. What is the spelling of papaya? P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Yellowish and orangish in color. Wow! Very healthy. It makes our skin glow. Papaya. Repeat after me. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. What is this, friends? Watermelon. Again, reddish, reddish, juicy, juicy watermelon. Wow. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Friends, repeat after me. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Very nice. Watermelon. These are the fruits. Yummy, yummy, healthy, healthy fruits. Hey friends, if you love this video, then please do like, share and subscribe as your blessings. And yes, do not forget to press the bell icon, ting ting, for the notification of new videos. Till then, stay connected